Morning, guys. Brandon Detail Doctor here. This is Brandon. I'm going to tell you guys what I do to prepare for the morning. I'm going to show you my routine. Stay put. So what I like to do, I like to actually make a cup full of Gatorade, and I carry them with me. And they come in this neat little tearaway packet. So this is calorie for zero, like calorie consumption, which is good. You're gonna still stay hydrated. I recommend that. I fill it up with ice. I have an ice maker. It does good. And I also have a coffee. And this is my preference. You guys don't have to do it. It's a sweet coffee because I'm burning a lot of calories. I just like to have something that hits the taste buds nice. Also some extra clothes, some long sleeve shirts, and then also something to change into when you ride back home because you're going to be very sweaty, especially in Tampa, Florida. Also, I carry all my stuff, my wallet, iPhone, charger, everything in my bag, my AirPods, and this is the battery that I use for my pressure washing setup. It's a lawn and garden battery, which I showed you in my previous video. So let's see what I carry in my cooler box. I've had this cooler box for 6 years, and it still hasn't broken or anything. Like I was showing you guys earlier. Here's a picture of the wife. How beautiful, lovely lady. And my puppy. 97 different Gatorade packets. And you can get these for $5 for like 24 or something. It's really worth the money. So next, water bottles, protein shake, some Coke Zeros. I carry about 5 water bottles. I don't even drink that many water bottles because I have the Gatorades. And then my wife picked this up on a Black Friday. I think it was like $30 for this fitness pack. It's awesome. One sec. Open it. Carry a banana. And then I'll carry some pineapples, a turkey sandwich, and I'm on a diet, so I only put mustard on it. Yep. So that's what I do for the morning routine of my products that I bring and take care of him. Caesar, say hi to everybody. Wanna go outside? You're gonna go to the bathroom. So this is my lock for my van. I drive the Chevy 3500 Express van. 2 clicks to unlock it. This is what I also have to do to get ready in the morning. So I also lock my van with this lock, and it's definitely a good deterrent. It's not 100% safe, but it does the trick. I also have one on the side here, and try not to lose them because I lost it one time. I also have window shades to keep out anybody from looking in, a front shade, also a seat belt connector for my steering wheel. I also have Apple AirTags in my van because I spent over $20,000 in this van, and I have insurance, but try not to lose anything. So yeah, that's how we unlock everything, get ready, and then we're gonna go to our appointment for our ceramic coating today. And I got these wonderful covers on Amazon. They're not made for this type of van. They go for a sprinter van, but this comes right off. It's pretty good. And I have a special key to unlock this. And also each lock has their own key. So another important tip is make sure you check all of your tires and make sure you don't have flats, make sure you have gas. It's hard to see, but full tank. And then whenever we have a break time, we can watch movies. This is the firm in there. It has navigation, this screen, I put it in there. And I also have a backup and front dash cam, and also a strobe light. Whenever I'm parked somewhere, or so people can see me. So I try to make that work. shut it off with the button. And now we're gonna go to St. Pete. See you guys. We're at the client's house and we are doing the ceramic coating on a truck. We did our wash and now we're doing our breakdown on it well. This is Brown Fury. So it's gonna get off all of that stuff that doesn't come off with soap. And I have it hooked up to my battery today. So whenever I hit the trigger, pressure washer turns on. I'll show you guys inside. That's my AR Blue. I'm hooked up to the resident's home. And yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Now we washed it, we cleaned the engine. I'm gonna put the conditioner on all the plastics. I clayed it, it was tough. I had to use iron remover, brake dust, and a very strong clay. I'm gonna hit it with some compound. Definitely bring it back. Get it ready for that coating. I'm gonna do a permanent coating, Borophene today, guys. It's gonna be really good. You're not gonna wanna miss it. Stay put. We did our paint correction, guys. It took us quite a long time. It's only a 2-step, so it's not the full 3 or any wet sanding, but it came out really nice. And this is a work truck, by the way. Now we're gonna put our permanent coating on it. Our ceramic coating is finished, guys. We made $1,100 today off this detail. It has permanent protection and it's a very good deal. Very, very shiny. And it's gonna cure after 24 hours and then 24 days fully cured. So this is me signing out, day in the life of a mobile detailer, what I do, how I make money. Come check us out, brandondetaildoctor.com.